Good afternoon to all of you. Stay home, stay safe. Our today topic is photocycloaddition or Pareto-Bussy reaction. So first photocycloaddition reaction to be studied by formation of oxytanes. So formation of oxytanes from addition of carbonyl compound to alkene. In this, the ketone always in triplet state, whereas electron is alkene in ground state, and by a non-constrained manner and gives oxytane. Formation of a triplet 1,4 diradical which must undergo spin inversion. It means after the formation of 1,4 diradical, there is a spin inversion for the further product formation. For example, in benzophenone and isobutene, when light is irradiated, it converts two products. The major product is 90% this possibility, only 10% possibility is this, and this is oxytane. One very important note regarding this: if the intermediate 1,4 diradical undergoes bond rotation fast, it means bond rotation fast, then ring closure is low and bond rotation is fast, then stereospecificity lost, and stereospecific character is now lost in case of bond rotation fast. I will here discuss about the mechanism of how benzophenone and isobutene in presence of light convert into the oxytane. So this is an example of carbonyl compound with electron rich alkene addition, and by a radical 1,4 radical formation and then spin inversion and then product formation. In the first step, what will happen? The previous pattern is first excited state, then singlet, then triplet. So benzophenone, this is benzophenone, C6H5 and C6H5. When light is irradiated, it converts into first in excitation form C6H5, C6H5, C double bond O. It means excited state, and it converts into first singlet, then convert into triplet. At this triplet state, what will happen at this triplet state? It converts like this: C6H5, C6H5, C, this is O. Now in this form, like in this form, this is generated. Then alkene on ground state, here we use alkene is isobutene. So in isobutene, like this, C double bond CS2, here CS3 and CS3, the first possibility. So one electron here, pi bond is shifted, one electron is here, so electron make this type of bond, and it convert into C6H5, C6H5, CO, CS2 attached, electron attached, this CS2, and here CS3 and CS3, but both electron, this electron and this electron in the similar spin like this. Then spin inversion. Always remember here 1,4 radical, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1,4 radical. So due to spin inversion, it converts into, in this compound, C6H5, C6H5, CO, like this, CS2 and CS3, CS3, like this. So then make a bond. And convert into the major product like this: CS2C, here CS3, here C6H5 and C6H5. This is oxytane, and the yield is 90% here. Another possibility, in case of this opposite, it means like this: C, here CS2, double bond C, CS3 and CS3. In this system, if ground state is attached by this and it convert into in this form C6H5, C6H5, CO, attached by C, very less possibility, CH3 because bulky group is there, and CH2, CH2. Then here similar possibility, electron here and electron here. Then spin inversion, and then convert it to in this form, C6H5, C6H5, CO, here C, CS3, CS3, CS2, now in opposite spin, and then convert the product in this manner, O, CS3, CS3, here C6H5 and C6H5, only 10% possibility of this. So the major product is this. This is the first condition regarding addition to electron rich alkene. Now we take another example by similar pattern, and in this example here electron deficient alkene. So the second case, electron deficient alkene. Electron deficient alkene with carbonyl. What will happen in electron deficient species in carbonyl? I will take an example like this, CH3, CH3, C double bond O. This is a carbonyl compound, and electron deficient species like Cn and Cn in the cis form. Then light irradiated, pattern is similar, first singlet, then triplet, and product is formed in this manner, O. What is the actual, check the specific, both are in the same plane, means Cn and Cn, and remaining is CS3 and CS3, at this side CS3 and CH3. In case of this attached by trans, like this double bond Cn and Cn, in case of trans, and generally this is at approx 313 nanometer, 313 nanometer light is observed, and in this case the specific is changed, now O, CS3 and CS3. Here suppose this is in direct portion, this is in Cn and Cn. So in cis similar plane, in trans opposite plane. The third case, when discuss about the with dienes, what will happen with dienes? So in case of dienes, I will take another example with dienes. With dienes, similar pattern is applied for diene. Take carbonyl group C double bond O plus, I will take here a cyclic diene like this, double bond here. Then the formation product, then light is irradiated, it convert in this manner, similar, and this double bond make ring. This double bond make ring in the formation of O like this. This is the product. And then I will discuss about the last case, that is intramolecular Patenaude-Bucci reaction. So here we discuss about intramolecular Patenaude-Bucci reaction. First important point regarding intramolecular Patenaude-Bucci reaction. Who show the intramolecular Patenaude-Bucci reaction? Always gamma delta enone. Who show gamma delta enone show this type of reaction. In this there is a insertion, and in insertion the carbonyl group in the excited triplet state and the alkene system, that is enone system, double bond in system, always in ground state. So I will take an example, C double bond O CH3, CH2, CH2. This is alpha, this is beta, then CH double bond, CH2. This is gamma and this is delta. So in one system with gamma and delta in presence of light, then they show intramolecular Patinot-Bussy reaction. How to show by this reaction? So first it convert into in this formation. After light absorb, it convert in this formation C double bond O. This is CH3. So here radical and radical formation. Then CH2, CH2. Then this is alpha and this is beta. This is alpha and this is beta. Then CH double bond CH2. So this is in excited state, this is in ground state. Now similar approach. First this pi bond is break, radical here and radical here, and it make a bond CH2 C, CH3 O, CH2 CH2 CH, like this. So here free electron and here free electron. So the major possibility of the product, only single product is formed after the combination of this. This is CH2 and CH2. Then C, here attachment of CH3, here O, and this CH2 attached by CH like this and attached by this. This is the product. So CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH2, CH make a bond, and O, CH2, O, CH2 and CH3. So this type of, so in Patinot-Bussy reactions, in photocycloaddition reaction, the four cases. First, the addition of electron with electron rich alkene, addition of electron of carbonyl group with addition of electron rich alkene. The second, electron deficient alkene. The third case we have discussed here with dienes, and the fourth is intramolecular Patinot-Bussy reaction, that is gamma delta ion system. Thank you.